How to turn on or turn off manage app if unused on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on manage app. Scroll down. Here you will see manage app if used is here. If you want to turn off manage app if unused, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see manage app if unused is turn off. If you want to turn on manage app if unused, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see manage app if unused is turn on. You will turn on or turn off manage app if unused from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off manage app if unused on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.